on the first page yet.
Okay.
Okay, now you can start.
Okay.
Early in the morning, Mr. Baker gets ready to make cookies. He counts and makes sure the ingredients for his recipe. He makes his cookie dough. Then he rolls out the dough and cuts out shapes with cookie cutters. The cookies bake in the oven. Out they come, nice brown. What a delicious smell. Mr. Baker, Mama?
Yes. Spell it for me.
Decorates.
Decorates.
Mr. Baker decorates the cookies with icing and colored sprinkles. Mama, don't delete the video, okay?
I won't.
Now he is ready for customers. Here come the hungry children. Mr. Baker shows off his cookie. He is proud. Cookies, he is proud. Mr. Baker sells the cookies. The shop is crowded. The cookies are sold. It's time to close. At last, a cookie for Mr. Baker. Good night.
The end. Good job.
Let me see the video.
Hold on just a minute. Is that your favorite book?
Yeah?
That's your favorite book. Okay. How old are you?
4.
Wow. When are you going to be 5?
I don't know.
On your birthday. When's your birthday?
I don't know.
April 24th. That's still a ways away. A couple months. Anyway, okay.